A few weeks ago, GoPro and Visit California invited 30 creators from around the world to experience the road trip of a lifetime. There was no brief except to go have fun and capture as many epic things as possible on the latest GoPro Hero 13.
So this is where the journey begins. We just picked up the RV. We're in San Francisco. We have 4 days.
Let's go!
4 days to get to Palm Springs.
We got
We're gonna send it.
We're gonna absolutely send it. Let's go!
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to add, they put me with 2 crazy Australians. What could go wrong?
Why you had to hide away for so long. That'd be really fun.
This is the actual dream. Grew up watching wakeboard movies at Lake Tahoe, and now we get to experience it. This is insane. This is actually insane. Look at this water clarity.
Sketchy, epic.
So fun. Oh, Lake Tahoe, let's go.
Alright, we've just pulled up to the most insane cove I think I've ever seen in my life. Water clarity, just like 1,000 meters visibility. We're gonna jump in, get some.
And 3, 2, 1, go. So sick.
Set up a little time warp because we have to send it to Yosemite before sunset, so we better get a move on. These clouds are unbelievable. Early morning in Yosemite, but I don't know if you can see this backdrop. It's so early, I can't even get my words right. Oh, we camped up here in Yosemite last night. Got the most insane backdrop. I'm gonna rip a little time lapse of the sunrise because this is gonna be insane. Oh, the sun's gonna come up there. Been trying to work out where the sun's coming up. Just set up the grip gear motorized time lapse slider. Sunrise is about to pop over here at Yosemite. Oh, this is so uncomfortable. I think it's gonna be pretty going.
This is insane.
This is sick.
Worth cramped up, night of sleep in the van. Definitely.
Like, should we show them how cozy it was?
We were like a folded deck chair.
Wait. Let me turn it around for you. Oh, look at the sun. The Chris.
Morning, neighbor. This was worth 4 hours of sleep and camping out.
Yay, Chris, turn around.
Guys, this was well worth camping out for. Insane. Insane.
Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave all your love and your lonely behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. The door.
Running on 4 hours of sleep, we're just out of Yosemite Park. Come down to Rainbow Pools. Look how sick this spot is. There's an insane cliff jump right up there, waterfall. Not much more you could ask for with the backdrop. Zach's about to rip the FPV.
We're gonna go for a wild shot. Let's see if we get it.
Wow, that's a cool waterfall. That's really epic. That's high.
Oh my god. Oh, Chris, the drone.
No! No! Damn it! Fuck. Straight down. That was a mad shot.
Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
Sick.
Oh.
Dude.
Chris just dove down and found the FPV.
We got it.
We got the shot, baby.
I just don't recover here.
Oh shit.
Think that might be how it goes. Let's just
Alright, so Zach found his FPV, but we're going to resort back to the old faithful air video to get the shot. This can land in the water and float. 2, 1, send it!
Oh!
No way! Sick!
Oh my god.
Bang on.
That
Bang
is
on,
it.
baby.
Alright, we're really late. We've got a 7-hour drive. We stacked all the clips.
Let's go.
Wait, I'm just pretending.
You're driving.
Me just pretending that I'm driving. Oh my god.
That's gotta make it for sure.
Chris just did a scenic.
happy life with the machines scattered around the room. Look what they made it for me.
We ran into some of the crew that morning in Palm Springs, but we still had one last activity to do.
Here he is. What are psych levels like today?
Off the charts.
I like to ride in.
So what are your initial thoughts? If you lost your life today, what would be your last wish?
Yes.
I'm terrible at transitions, but we just made it to the outskirts of Palm Springs. We're about to absolutely rip some UTVs.
Hell yeah.
Send it. You.